If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2025 on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you enhance your gaming experience by ensuring your saves are properly backed up. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to ensure there are no ongoing issues with the service. If the network is down, you may need to wait until it is restored. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your PlayStation 5 completely and unplug it for a few minutes. Then plug it back and turn it on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your system software up to date can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Check storage space. Navigate to Settings, then Storage, and check if you have enough free space on your console. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting unused games or data to create space for cloud saves. Step 5. Relink your PlayStation Network account. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and select Link with other services. Disconnect and then reconnect your PlayStation Network account. This can refresh your account settings and resolve syncing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Cloud Save Error 2025 on your PlayStation 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.